problem. I feel like Joe Cousins did that.
Look at those cupcakes. It's Mickey.
I'm gonna be fat.
Are you hungry?
Is it noticeable? I have a big giant chocolate chip cookie. These for later, maybe. And 2 donuts.
Woo!
Let's go have me get fat. Look at all that healthy food in there.
You didn't even look over there.
How silly. I feel like I probably should have done some of that. I'm not.
We're waiting. We're going to eat in the Rainforest Cafe at Disney Springs. And Eleanor's in heaven with these aquariums.
I love aquarium, and it goes overhead.
Yeah, wow. Ellie.
And if we come over here, it goes overhead again.
Yeah, again.
It's a bigger fish.
Bigger ones, yep.
There's Gil from Finding Nemo.
Uh-huh.
There's a whole bunch of other fish I need to learn when I'm at school. There's Dory, the blue tang.
Of course.
Isn't it magical?
Yep, I'm gonna be magical over here.
Not near the aquarium?
I'm so hungry. We have an hour and 15-minute wait though. They were busy. And I'm hungry. So that's all I'm thinking about.
Accent that was.
Say that again.
I can't do it. How do you do that? It sounded German.
We're on the safari.
We're on a safari, mate. Let's go hunt. I can't.
Oh no! A storm, Eleanor.
There's a storm that's coming. I feel like I'm on like one of these. I found another bracelet that'd be perfect for me.
You don't wear bracelets.
No, I don't, but maybe I could start. Start from something.
I'm a little more concerned about the storm kind of going on.
I don't like storms.
Oh no. Eleanor, we're in big trouble. Pompeii, Mama. Are we sure we want to go in there?
It's hot. It's hot. I actually feel it. Oh,
It's gonna blow. We gotta get out of here. Why are we just standing here filming it? We gotta run. It's so hot.
It's 2018, Alex. That's what we do.
That's so cool. Are we waiting for the lava?
My camera takes awful video.
Ellie was just saying she feels like we're gonna go on a ride.
It does.
We're going on the food ride. Ready to ride the Rainforest Cafe, Ellie?
Oh yeah. I would. If you gave me food at the end of it or during it, I'd love it.
Our feet are just done from this weekend. That's why we're just sitting here instead of looking at stores while we wait to be called. And we're seeing people in high heels.
I have blisters on my feet. How could they be doing that? I think I got one on my little toe.
Oh, we can't do it anymore. Our feet are goners. Is it over?
Might be.
No. Look, you can see the fireworks from here. Magic Kingdom, I want to go back. Eleanor, I want to go back too. I thought you said you could fly with your new umbrella.
It doesn't work today.
It doesn't work today.
It's tired too.
They're having their not so scary Halloween party today. I bet it's amazing. Oh, you know, Courtney texted me a few days ago about the not so scary Halloween party fireworks and she liked them.
Did she?
Yeah, that's what those are over there. That's a funny coinkadink. I wouldn't mind going, Eleanor.
I want to go.
Let's go. Look how great it looks. We couldn't see the fireworks. We're gonna watch them on our phone.
I don't know what year this is, but I guess
Advertisement.
Ghostbusters. They could play Ghostbusters.
It would be. Hi there. We're sitting by a tree, Ellie.
Tree of life.
Not quite, but Ellie's at the fish table. We're at the butterfly table. We got the mama's tired table. And mustard goes over there. And ketchup. The lights just got dark. Oh no! It's gonna rain on our tea. The monkeys are freaking out. It's a storm. Save me, monkeys. Rainforest. I love restaurants that have a theme to it. They're my favorite. Storm's over. That's just like Florida too. It comes and then it blows over real quick.
It's just like home. Hey!
Hey, you'll drink to that?
Yay! My non-alcoholic beverage. Non-alcoholic.
Eleanor and I were having fun this morning doing random meme generators for what meme are you, and it kept giving her alcoholic ones, saying when someone says alcohol, Eleanor's like, I'll be there.
I don't drink, I'm not old enough, and I've never drunk before.
It's become an inside joke. Your shots, Eleanor.
Or my Jello shots.
And we were playing a game outside while we were waiting where I say a word like they do in psychology or therapy, and she says the first thing she thinks of. I said Jello is one of them. She goes, shots.
That didn't help my case at all.
I think the meme generator was onto something.
Yeah, probably. They know I have my secret problem. I need to spike this tea.
She's never drunk before.
I have alcohol. I have not. I've never drunk alcohol before, and I don't really plan on it. So I don't know why they keep saying this stuff. That they drink and wake up with a hangover.
Oh no.
Monkeys!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
That would be funny. Even the fish are like, what's happening?
Oh, fishy.
That monkey still wants the food.
I wish I could zoom in on it.
Oh, you can't zoom in on that camera.
We hope you have a Alright, if I can find it. Why is this thing so big?
She's probably tired from all the birthdays she got celebrated today.
No. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Be right back.
Yay!
Happy birthday.
They've had so many birthdays tonight. I've heard them sing it so many times now.
They probably do that every day.
Birthday destination.
Apparently so.
The next day.
Oh, right when I started recording, you finally got it. Yay! We were sitting here for 5 minutes trying to open those apples. Thought we needed to call King Arthur to come open it. They're like vacuum sealed shut.
These apples better be good. For all the trouble we had to go through.
Huh?
Okay, they check out.
And look at her cute waffles! It's Mickey! Mickey!
Mickey!
We leave today, it's so sad. Daddy's actually in the lobby checking out now and we're having breakfast. We go back home today. We leave Mickey Mouse.
He's gonna miss us.
He is. Thank you. I'm gonna miss him most though.
It's probably not gonna happen.
I know. We were all just sitting here eating our breakfast and we're all being quiet and out of nowhere this just spits out at Eleanor. And like pressure built up in her orange juice and the lid just spit out at her.
Have a magical day.
I think the ghost host is here.
Yeah. One of our hitchhiking ghosts. Oh, for it to happen.
Well, how long was it sitting there?
I can't
Before-
remember. Maybe like 5 minutes?
I have to wait 5 minutes?
I don't know. She could bang. I can't even remember how the top was. I don't know if it was like this or more closed up, but I think it was like that.
So what I mean is
I just saw out of the corner of my eye. I was looking over here, and out of the corner of my eye, I saw the lid just popped. I heard it pop and fall down, and I thought you just like knocked it off or something, but her arms were like that. She didn't do anything. I said, Eleanor, what'd you do? You had saddle shoes?
I had a pair of those, yeah. I had we bought them over in Adventureland at Disney World.
Yeah. All this era
I had a pair of go-go ones. I sure did. I had a pair of those. I love those.
Love looking at all the era stuff. Like, ha, you just sat down. Ha ha, sucks for you. Yeah. When I looked up what hotel we were staying at, and I saw the name of their pool was the Hippy Dippy Pool, I thought that was the funniest thing. Hippy Dippy Pool. And also I want to make a cheeky little look at the arcade. I'm not gonna play anything, but you see Baloo and Mowgli in the distance. Here's the Hippy Dippy Pool, Ellie. Hippy Dippy Pool. The 70s pool. See the Play-Doh in the distance?
I remember Play-Doh.
They still make it, Ellie.
I know.
We could play some.
Play some dough.
Ellie.
Can you dig it?
I can. Pop! Pop! Pop, Eleanor.
Huh?
Pop.
Pop. Like my lid.
Yeah. Ellie, where's my foot massage you promised me?
Where's mine?
I didn't promise you.
You wanted to walk through here?
Yeah.
I want to play that.
Pac-Man, Defender, world's largest Pac-Man.
But sometimes these come all places in these games.
Did I take you in the wrong place, Eleanor?
Oh my god.
What? Oh, wow. Can't take her out anywhere.
I like beer.
I was expecting more retro games as, you know, Pop Century and they have all the
See,
old
there's
stuff.
Pac-Man on the screen.
Y'all are playing a game?
He's playing a game.
You're playing Star Wars Pinball?
I'm not very good, as you can see.
I saw that. Go, go, go. Boing. Boing. Oh!
Flipper got stuck. Got stuck up there.
You're getting tags?
You want one?
Yeah.
This one's cute.
I got the 2018 Mickey. Here's my loop. Watch me engrave. Now watch me engrave. Now watch me dispense. Ah. It's writing. Gonna get me a dog tag. Huh? Huh? Yay! Yay!
Let's see what it looks like.
Everybody wants to see.
What's this? There's Sorcerer Ellie.
I need a one. I don't think there's a one around.
No wand for you. It's not gonna work then.
What's a sorcerer without his wand?
You gotta use your hands. Boom! The lids off of everyone's cups just came off.
Like mine.
That must have been what happened. Someone put the hat on.
Oh yeah, my magic must have.
Yeah,
definitely-
right.
I just discovered my magic.
Yeah. This one.
What? What'd you say?
Nothing.
What'd you say?
I didn't say
What'd you say about it?
say it. Nothing. Focus. But it's Madame Leota earrings. That's kind of cool. Then they have the coffin. Ah! Excuse my nails, they're all chipping now. They almost made it the whole weekend. Or week.
Almost.
Almost. It's our last chance to get souvenirs. And we want that. Right, Ellie?
Yeah.
Souvenirs, yay!
Yeah.